Rocco, our first picture, I'm going to show you something that is almost never seen on TV, and that is a patient only a few weeks out from a tummy tuck. On the left, you see the patient preoperatively. On the right, you see her several weeks after surgery. You can see the red line of the abdominoplasty or tummy tuck going across the front, and you see some smaller incisions that were placed either for drain holes in the front or for incisions for liposuction cannulas to be placed to help sculpt her waist and her back. In our next series of photos, we have somebody who has even more central adiposity, in other words, central fat, central fullness. In the front view, the stomach is hanging over the underwear, is actually below the level of the groin. And afterwards, you can see that while this patient is certainly not thin, she has a nice shaped abdomen with a healthy appearing belly button, and certainly her mons pubis area is no longer covered up by hanging abdominal skin. On the side view, you can appreciate how much hang there was to this tissue, and on the post view, you can see that the muscles have been tightened, the stomach is flat, and there is actually some definition above the buttocks where liposuction was performed. In our next set of pictures, Rocco, you'll notice that this woman has even more adiposity, including fat that's in the upper abdomen, hanging skin and fat in the lower abdomen, a loose muscle wall, fat that's bulging around the bra straps along the sides and back, and so much fat in the lower back area that there's no real definition of the buttocks. By doing a tummy tuck, making a fairly long incision, I can go ahead and dress all of these areas as seen on her side view in the post on the right side. On the front view, again, you can appreciate how much volume there was there, and on the post, you can see that with liposuction I was able to sculpt the oblique muscles and actually create the appearance of rectus muscles in the center and the carved out oblique muscles on the side of her abdomen while giving her a curvaceous figure.